Why are car repairs so expensive? Well, basically because your car's a fragile little diva, and every breakdown is a full-blown emergency tantrum. Your car's designed to fold like a $3 lawn chair to protect you. Guess who pays to put Humpty Dumpty back together again? Spoiler alert, you. Labor costs. Fixing today's cars is like doing brain surgery on a squirrel with lasers. And the mechanic, charging you brain surgeon prices. Technology. Your car has more computers than your entire house. And when one sensor dies, you can kiss your next paycheck goodbye. Part shortages. Global chaos equals no parts. No parts equals you pawning a kidney for a new alternator. And patented parts. Manufacturers basically lock the parts behind a velvet rope. You want to fix it? Better bring that VIP money. Bottom line, modern cars were built to bankrupt you, unless you were smart enough to call CarShield first. Let us help you and your wallet.